we present a reinforcement learning-based method aiming at solving a variety of industrial assembly tasks. Our method is highly reliable and robust under our large-scale evaluations. Specifically, we consider the following three tasks. The first is the Assembly Challenging Board proposed by National Institute of Standard and Technology, aka NIST. The robot is supposed to insert the connectors to their counterpart sockets. The second is a dual-arm moving target insertion task. The first arm is asked to insert a HDMI connector to a moving socket, which is held by the second arm. The third is a log key insertion task. In this task, the robot will need to perform high-quality force-based search to insert the more dedicated pieces of hardware, a pair of key and log. Here's an overview of our method. Our method is built upon deep deterministic policy gradient from demonstrations, or DDPGFD for short. We first collect few human demonstrations to bootstrap the learning process of the policy. Then we collect more interaction data by rolling out the current IL policy. Occasionally, we provide on-policy correction by overriding the agent's action if the agent is in a bug situation that it can deal with. Then we train our actor and critic asynchronously. Every few iterations, the policy will pull a latest snapshot of the actor. This learning process will iterate until desired performance is achieved. It's worth noting that we use sparse reward signal and adopt a deterministic policy here. Sparse reward can provide a clean setup for the policy learning process. By adopting a deterministic policy, we can take the advantage of its reproducibility to ensure a highly reliable outcome. We always maintain one replay buffer, digesting the whole data so far, and any human demonstration will be considered as the agent's own action. The collection of such design choices makes our method highly reliable in terms of success rate and robust to large external perturbations. Additionally, our policies are trained on different input modalities. We use different combinations of proprioceptive information, force torque information, and visual embedding information to train multi-modal policies. We first conduct our evaluation on 3 representative connectors under 3 different modalities. We then evaluate the policy generalizability by moving the target socket to a different location and orientation that was not seen during training, and the agent was asked to perform insertions without collecting any new data. By starting post-randomization, we further test our vision-based policies under strong external perturbations. The agent is asked to perform connector insertions while the underlying sockets are strongly perturbed by a human. These scenarios are not seen by the agent during training either. Owing to the use of relative coordinates, the agent was able to solve the task reliably. In total, the agent performed over 30,000 insertions under a variety of conditions with a 99.8% success rate. In the second task, we show that the reliability and speed of our method are able to match that of human eye coordination. We asked 2 individuals to perform this task in comparison with the IL agent. Both the IL agent and the human are able to solve this task with a 100% success rate, and the IL agent matches the speed of the human in terms of a mean completion time. In the third task, the agent receives no visual information. It has to perform blind search over dedicated meta parts. The agent was able to complete this task with a high success rate under large perturbations.